What is Arweave AR? Blockchain technologies have taken the world by storm, invoking a financial revolution with the evolution in technology. Most blockchains need the assistance of third-party protocols to be integrated on top of existing blockchains, as fees are too high for on-chain storage to be feasible, and Arweave solves this issue. But what is Arweave, and how does it work? To learn all about AR, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about what Arweave AR is, so be sure to be attentive, because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Arweave, or AR, operates as a next-gen decentralized storage network. Arweave is a for-profit data expertise headquartered out of London. The platform entered service on July 28, 2017. The challenge secured $525,000 to additional operations throughout pre-seed funding spherically carried out on July 13, 2021. Today, Arweave is without doubt one of the most recognizable decentralized knowledge storage networks out there. The project's goal is to create a more long-term version of the internet and reduce developer restrictions. The platform creates a secure and globally accessible permanent information storage network. Users and developers can archive sites and sources forever using the platform. As such, the network enables more productive and extensive applications. Arweave is a peer-to-peer protocol that makes different users with excessive storage spaces on their servers or hard drives connect with and store data with those looking to store data. Arweave incentivizes miners by awarding them their tokens in exchange for continuously replicating the stored content. There's a multitude of problems that Arweave seeks to reduce or eliminate. For one, the redundant and decentralized nature of the network prevents data loss. Reports have shown that the internet is full of lost data due to all types of reasons. The current data storage methods are susceptible to loss over time, from hackers to user negligence. Another way that users can find their information lost forever is through broken links. Surprisingly, around 30% of all web links are broken within the first 2 years. For many of these websites, those links are the only way users can find the data. These sites are then cast off into the dark web. The dark web is all of the websites that are not on any search engines. However, all your valuable data can be lost when these links are lost forever. Arweave tries to remedy the problem through a new blockchain-like structure called the Blockweave. This Blockweave is a platform designed to provide scalable on-chain storage cost-efficiently for the first time. As data stored in the system increases, the amount of hashing needed for consensus decreases, resulting in the reduction of cost in the storage of data. Arweave's existing REST API makes it simple to build decentralized applications on top of the Blockweave, reflecting Arweave's focus on the developer community and its capability to drive the adoption of emerging and novel protocols. The ecosystem of Arweave is also tremendous, with more than 300 decentralized applications functioning on the Arweave blockchain. With the addition of more and more NFTs and partnerships, the Arweave protocol is sure to soar higher with time. Storage limitations are one other main lookout that Arweave addresses. The technical construction of Arweave permits upright scaling to good the calls for the worldwide group. Developers can leverage indefinite storage to create extra interactive and well platforms to service the group. Their inventive minds can current freely with limitless knowledge choices. The builders behind Arweave give attention to sustainability. Recently, cryptocurrencies have been placed below the microscope because of their power consumption necessities. Early cryptos, resembling Bitcoin, can require extra electrical energy than some nations to verify the community. Arweave introduces a proprietary consensus mechanism that eliminates these power-heavy methods and replaces them with additional environment-friendly choices. Arweave customers stay favorable from one other drawback plaguing the web: censorship. Recently, censorship points have changed into a severe lookout for customers because the continued centralization of companionable networks and streaming providers has created an accepted narrative. If you may have concepts that refer to this grain, you'll find your knowledge eliminated and misplaced perpetually in some situations. The AR system operates as an absolute code with no centralized group to manage, prohibit, or revoke your knowledge. The AR community was constructed to supply a launch and free route for customers to save knowledge internationally. Based on the historical price action of the AR coin and its current price on the trading charts, the token is poised to rally higher within the coming years, making the overall trend bullish. Based on our analysis, the price prediction of AR price is expected to increase exponentially over the years, attributed to the continued adoption of the now famous decentralized storage ecosystem. Most analyses across the industry predict a bullish trend for AR, although the current AR price trend is relatively bearish following the prevailing market sentiments. However, short bearish sentiments are a norm within the crypto market, and most coins often fluctuate prices following the market volatility. However, a long-term price prediction of Arweave AR price must incorporate more elaborate technical analysis techniques to ensure the price prognosis is as accurate as possible. The price of Arweave has been fluctuating since its launch, recording a broad gap between its all-time low and all-time high prices. However, with its impressive return on investment of 61,783.27%, the token has been a favorite for many crypto experts. The AR cryptocurrency registered its all-time low trading price of $0.4854 about a year ago, on May 27, 2020. Since then, the AR cryptocurrency has enjoyed an impressive bull run to an industry-wide acknowledgement and adoption of decentralized technologies. Since then, the token has increased its price exponentially to its all-time high price of $90.94, recorded about 20 days ago, on November 5, 2021. At the time this video is uploaded, the price of AR today is $62.01, with a 24-hour trading volume of $94,612,410. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 67, with a live market cap of $2,070,823,613. It has a circulating supply of 33,394,701 AR coins and a max supply of 66 million AR coins. In 2021, the AR cryptocurrency experienced a roller coaster, moving up and down at a price to record its all-time high a few days ago. The volatility levels of AR in 2021 have been increased, although at the moment, the cryptocurrency is relatively stable, with real price changes within 24 hours. Since the year is ending, the AR cryptocurrency is expected to continue with its current downward trend due to the current short-lived bear market. Based on the price predictions for AR, the expected maximum price of AR tokens in December 2021 is $64. Likewise, the predicted minimum valuation of the AR cryptocurrency by December 2021 is $44. Essentially, we project that AR will continue to be bearish in December and trade below its current trading price. On average, AR will trade at $51 toward the end of the year, implying a negative growth rate in December, making it a poor investment in December of 2021 if you plan to cash out at the end of the year. The short-term investments are relative, although a one-year investment is generally considered to be short-term. According to experts' Arweave prediction, a one-year investment in AR from today would yield positive growth, although minimal considering Arweave price today. However, AR can be an excellent coin if you are trading crypto. In that case, investing in AR for 1 year max could be profitable. Arweave AR projections are projected to record its highest price, surpassing the current ATH in a few years from now. Based on the Arweave technical analysis, using technical indicators to determine the future market prices of AR on the cryptocurrency market, it is clear that AR coins can be a good coin to invest in. The prospects of this coin are up and coming, as currently it is projected that the already huge market will grow to $137.3 billion by 2025. There are predictions that the coin might go over $100 this month. Wallet Investor is predicting the value of the coin to constantly increase and be at $223.998 in about 5 years. 51% of the coins are in circulating supply currently. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on the Arweave token? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.